Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and today we're going to show you how to properly install the Boostmaster. And as you can see here, this is the Boostmaster kit. It comes with an air filter, the connections, and the Boostmaster itself, and some holes for the PCV valves. We're going to show you on how to install it today on this 1997 Chrysler Town & Country. First, take the factory air filter, or in this case the air box, out and all the tubings. Connect the kit on the throttle like so and strap it in. And this Boostmaster comes with your own choice of size of air filter. So you can see here, we went with the small one. As you can see here, it's not really complicated to install. Like I said, just attach it to the throttle and strap it down. But yeah, make sure that there's no leaks on your hoses and connections, because it will rob you of power and some gas mileage. Strap it down and connect your valve. There it goes. And that's it. It's easy as that. Strap the clamps down, and that's all. Again, this is the Boostmaster unit and how to install it. Oh yeah, there's also going to be some written instruction that comes with your Boostmaster. And thank you for your time.